This pristine, updated Colonial is located in the heart of Rumstick Village with Harbours Association dock access and a spectacular yard. The property features a welcoming, sun-filled floor plan with numerous updates, including a vaulted entry mudroom and a newer kitchen that would please any chef, with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a large center island that opens to a lovely dining area. The front-to-back living room features a fireplace and built-ins and flows into a large family room addition with a full bath, which also allows it to easily transform into a first-floor bedroom suite. The second floor offers a spacious layout with 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths, including the master ensuite with dual private bathrooms. Step out onto the lovely deck and enjoy the expansive yard, perfect for outdoor activities or entertaining. This house also boasts central air conditioning, newer windows, and a 2-car attached garage with plenty of storage. Enjoy living steps from Barrington Harbor and walking in the neighborhood along the Barrington River. Downtown Barrington is a charming village full of local shops and restaurants, along with the historic town hall and library. The close proximity to the East Bay bike path allows you to enjoy scenic travel from Bristol to Providence. Barrington also has a nationally recognized public school system, a town beach, and numerous parks and playgrounds to enjoy. This sought-after location is only a 20-minute commute from the arts and entertainment of Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or call Elizabeth Kirk at area code 401-225-0371.